All right, we're gonna do a quick breakdown. I got a call at 6. So if you wanted to bring anybody in, it's cool. All right, we're gonna do a quick breakdown. I'm gonna send this one. I'm gonna send this one to you. I'll probably post it on YouTube as well. But all right, so guys, so pretty much what we're looking at is GBP CAD. Usually, I like to start from the monthly time frame. It's very important to start in the monthly time frame because you want to get the overall analysis of what the market is doing, where we're currently at in the market, what year, what's happening, who's in control of the market. We find all that information from the bigger time frame. It's always critical. I don't really care what happened back in 2006. I'm only concerned what happened 2 to 3 years. So we focus on what's called price action, price relevance. Price action and price relevance is what I'm focused on in the monthly. What do I mean by price relevance? So I'm looking for the relative lows and relative high. The last low the market made was back in 2016, 17 area. You can kind of see we failed to break this support area. So that's a relative low. And I'm also identifying the relative high was back in 17. So this was our relative high, okay? So we can see price is between this little channel. We like to keep price in the box so that way we can identify where we could potentially put an entry in. From what I'm seeing is price is, it looks like it wants to come back down to the support, to this relative low. But the only way we can know what's getting ready to happen is, and the price is telling a story, man. It's really just bouncing between the relative high and low until we get a possible break on each side. But we haven't had that yet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep continuing to trade within this range. Okay. On the weekly time frame, I break it from the monthly to the weekly. We call this time frame correlation. And the only thing I'm concerned about in the weekly time frame is really what's happening here within these candles, right? What's happening here within these set of candles, right? So we see we had a lot of rejection. We had a lot of rejection here. Multiple buyers exhaustion. We had a nice bearish engulfing, right? Nice bearish engulfing. But what we can see, right? If I drew a line right here, we failed to break this area, right? This is tested, right? This candle right here probably manipulated a lot of people. We probably want to call this the institutional candle. It manipulated a lot of people, but the real bias, the real movement is the price wants to find a way to get down here at some point, right? We want to get down here at some point, maybe here to this imbalance, right? We want to test that level again, right? This is just based on I'm just, hypothetically speaking, I'm assuming this could happen. I don't know if it will happen, but based on what the candles are showing me, price could potentially come down here at some point, right? And we're looking at this. This is a nice 500 pips. So that's pretty good. All right. But we're looking at the weekly candle. We're looking at the candles. What are the candles doing, right? I see a bearish engulf and I see a bullish variation. So we don't really know till we go to the smaller time frame. Okay. So from the weekly, I'm going to the daily. And now we're going to see this thing play out. Right here, we're looking at structure. We're identifying structure, right? What type of structure is this market making? Right, here's where we want to pull up. Utilize our fibs to see where in structure we're at. Boom. Okay. And right now, I'm just using the fibs to see if structure is broken. And doesn't look, yeah, structure has broken. So this was our last It's our last low point. This is our last low point. Last low point, right? This candle said structure broke, right? So if we know structure broke, we know at some point, we know at some point we need, let's see. Right here. Okay, so this is good. Price came to our 38.2. So anytime price hits 38.2, it's usually going to be some type of impulsive move based on the Fibonacci. It's going to be some type of impulsive move. So we can potentially, based on what's happening here in the small time frame, we can see price probably end up selling price down. So the only way I know what's getting ready to happen is I'm going here on the 1 hour time frame. Typically the 1 hour time frame, I want to see structure. I want to identify it, right? This looks good, right? This looks good. Let's grab our fibs and measure and see if we get, okay, this is good. This is good. So we're in it's still in the uptrend, right? And I'm gonna explain to you why we're in the uptrend, right? So, and Tommy, man, you gotta go through the. I don't want to waste a lot of time explaining this. You got to go through the I'm gonna send you the Fibonacci webinar. I'm gonna send you the Fibonacci webinar, and I really explain the fibs in details on what's happening when it reacts. In the video, I explain to you how to draw it, what happens when it reacts to the certain PRZ levels, and that way you can, when you watch this video, you'll be like, oh, okay, I see what's happening. So right now, price found its next lower high here. The next lower high was here, 78.6. We know 78.6, we need to get some type of market pattern. Some type of market pattern needs to happen.
Head and shoulders coming into play.
Head and shoulder, double top, double bottom, inverted head and shoulders. So I see price coming down here, and then we buy up. Structure hasn't broken yet, right? But we have to identify if this thing is ready to buy. I want to identify it based off the 15-minute time frame, entry time frame. So entry time frame, bro, this is too easy, man. Damn, it's too easy. Entry time frame, we got a break of, finally got a break of our resistance. Break of resistance level right here. We have our imbalance right here. So pretty much what's getting ready to happen is price is going to
come back down to that.
Come down here, and we buying up. The only thing we're looking for right here, bro, the only confirmations we're looking right here, bro, is our MTF, bullish engulfing or bullish variation. That's one confirmation. We're looking for our MTFA to turn green down here. Second confirmation. And we're looking for a cross of our EMA and MA. We want to see the blue over the red. That's our third confirmation. You see all three of those, bro. You see at least two confirmations. Buy.
If I'm correct,
buy.
That would be the retest, right?
Absolutely. Because we gotta listen right here on the left. We got a break of the lower high in the small time frame. Higher high. It's still coming down, right? It
didn't go all the way.
Because it didn't go all the way because these two high did not exceed this high. So it's still trying to find its retest. Retest is not established yet till we get down here.
You get all the way down.
You get down here and you see that those three confirmations.
And then boom.
Man, boy, buy this thing, man. I'm telling you, you gonna make, and your TP could be this high. TP could be this high because price has to get back up there, right? And that's what we look. And this and what I just gave you is the outlook for next week. We buy this thing up, bro. 243 pips. That is it. And it's gonna happen, man. GDP CAD, bro. This market be moving like 200 pips in a day, bro. It be moving, man. One time I made like 12K, bro. I'm like, wow.
The crazy thing is, I was looking at gold last night, and I said it's gonna have to test that
Let's see
area
gold. Let's see gold.
all the way back to hell up there, and it showed
Let's see
it. And it
gold.
sure did. And I was like, why ain't put why
Let's
ain't
see
that
gold. We'll do the same thing on gold. Oh, I'm ready to. Oh, I'm about to sell this thing, bro. This thing is about to make me rich. Hold on.
It was probably at 12, 13, it was 13 to 12 last night when I seen it, or somewhere close to that. Well, no, you're
This
in the
thing.
movie right
Let's see this thing. Oh shit! Look at the weekly, bro. It's still bit bullish, bro. This is my sniper entry area, bro. When price get us somewhere here, gold is gonna make me. I'm gonna have my biggest day trading. Watch. It's gonna be close to 6 figures. Yeah, family. Look, we're still maintaining structure. Look, still. Let's see. Gold used to be my favorite pair, bro. Okay, let's see. Ooh, this thing is ranging. We're still in the vibe, man. Look at it. Look at this shit. Hold on. This is our last. Damn, it's been chilling, man. It's been ranging here, man. It's been ranging 38 too. It's been ranging 50%, 38 too. Well, it tapped 61.8. So what I see is a what? Inverted head and shoulder. You see it?
there.
Inverted head. This is the head, left shoulder, right shoulder, shot up. So we can identify this also in the 15-minute time frame. All it is just break of a lower high retest. All right. Break. We knew we had to come down. What did it come down to? Imbalance. Oh man, I'm too good at this, family. Came to the imbalance right here, right? I told you the imbalance, the last bearish candle. Exactly. You see the three bullish candles created the imbalance, man. And watch this, Tom. You're gonna be like, man, chill, Mike. But I told you to wait for the bearish, bullish variation. This was one confirmation. One confirmation. Let me put my EMA and MA, right? Cross, blue over red, cross, second confirmation, green. Come on, man. If you'd have just known that, bro, and once this happened and all this happened, like, at the same time, look, man, they went 160 pips. This happened today. I'm mad I didn't see this, bro. I didn't see this. I would have made almost 15K, bro. Look, no drawback. I don't see it. No, it was a drawback. If this would happen, the drawback would have been 15 pips. So what? That thing would have happened so fast. So if I would have traded with $150, see, I love doing these numbers, man. This stuff gets me excited. 15. I would have been negative 2,000. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because I would have profited 21,000. See, this is how you trade, bro. When this shit happens, bro, oh man, see, this I gotta leave. I gotta be a little bit more patient. I would have been up 50 times 22. I would have been up 3 racks. And here's the thing, Tommy. Once I started seeing, like, I would have been up 3 racks. Once I started seeing these type of this shit right here, bro, these wicks, just so I don't want to be in a negative like that. Like, basically, if I'm using a big lot size, this is what I would use. But if I was using like a 5 lot, bro, I don't care, man. I would have been, if I was using $50 per pip, bro, I would have been down. I would have been down $800. But I mean, eventually, you know, once this thing started going back up, I would have added more lot size. So here's how you can do your entry, right? Your first initial entry, don't make it a big ass lot size. Just put like a little, you know, put like a conservative lot size. And when you see another bearish, bullish engulfing or bullish variation, lock the fuck up. This is when you say, all right, put your chips in, because by now you're already in positive from this entry, and this is your second entry, bro. And now this entry could be the big lot size, and oh man, yeah, bro, this game over. This stuff is easy, fam.
It's always some type of retest.
Always happens. Look at this shit. So now you notice you're in some type of, you know what I'm saying, some bullshit happening here, bro. You could close your trade, close your order right here, because look at where this market went to. Imbalance.
Yeah, man.
Imbalance right here. So this would be my TP, bro. Once I bought this, I'm like, yo, 150 pips, I'm out. I'm closing. I'm closing.
And that's why I've been seeing it the way I've been seeing it.
Absolutely. And this is how you get, exactly. This is how you get good at it. You can sell this too.
The market gonna fix itself. That's what
right. So if price breaks this support, this is how you could just play with it. But I don't recommend doing this, because trade with the trend. Trade with the trend. Trade with the trend, bro. Yeah. Because you can do this. If this break, sell that thing. Sell it. Yeah, family, man. This is I'm gonna send this video to you. I gotta get ready for this call at 6.
I appreciate it, Mike.
Man, no problem, bro. Add that to your repertoire, man. As your organization grows, you know, as Miss Leslie, when she goes over matter of fact, when she goes over series 1 and 2, let's get on a Zoom call. I'm gonna show the basics, right? And I'm gonna tell her why we need to spread the word to people. That I'm gonna send her some videos. But as your organization grows, man, this is the culture we're gonna create for them. Make sure they're going through the series. Make sure they're watching the videos. We'll hop in a Zoom call, do my thing. They watch my videos, and
I check up on there every 2 or 3 days and stuff. See how she doing.
absolutely.